Blessed love. Blessings. Yes, I. So we cut up some vegetable. Yeah, the callaloo, I'm a favorite in Jamaica, you know. Yes, I love the callaloo. I man love my greens too. Yes, I. But all of them food, yeah, the pumpkin and the Jamaica favorite, we call it the ackee, you know. All of these, they are not just food, but everything you eat become your frequency, you know. Here at the First Moon Farm, we're not just chef. I am alchemist in the kitchen, transmuting food into frequency for spiritual alignment, for DNA memory and healing. So it's not just cooking for stomach, just to eat and full stomach. It's for alignment. It's for DNA restoring, you know, activating memory, you know. We need to remind ourselves of who we really are before we take this experience, this journey into earth. The spirit, the soul that we were before we take on this physical journey into earth. You know, we cook up something. It's the national food. It's the Jamaican national food. We call it the ackee. It's a favorite in Jamaica. Easy to get, easy to find. Red, yellow, black seed. When it cook, it's a bit yellow. A lot of foreigners said it reminds them of scrambled egg, but it's the Jamaican food. We call it the ackee. The ackee. You work it by pull it apart like this, and often it bring a stuff in the middle. You have to remove, but when you pull it apart like this, if it's clean, it's okay for the pot. But if it's like this one, now you have to put in this something. And we have some greens for the pot. I always have greens in the thing. Yeah. And these are not just food. They are not just food. They become your frequency.